Well, I'm a bit of a dipshits, boys. I mean, you already knew that, but I forgot any type of a witch word to hold the camera, so here, we'll do this. Done. There's the shot, boys. Yeah. That's gonna fall over immediately.
Oh, fuck. So too deep. Still too deep. Grab up.
Well, let's hope the battery's got enough charging it to dump this now. Playing friggin' battery Schmidt. Driving all over the place, stealing cars, killing the battery for no reason.
Oh, find out some guy's a fucking scam artist, obviously.
Yeah.
That's kind of good to know. Kind of handy information.
Yeah, I never come across that before. But...
Oh shit, right? Oh.
Oh, it's at home.
That's cool.
All right.
Yeah, I watch your channel all the time.
Right on.
You live here?
No, doing a job here.
Okay, right on.
Yeah. With a skid. What's that?
Go in, eh?
Right on, man. Have a good one.
That's cool. I was wondering, he fucking passed by, he did a slow pass, and then I saw him do a U-turn up there. I was like, uh-oh, are we like cutting his grass or something?
Oh, man. How much insurance cost on that operation?
I don't know.
Give her a little mix up for me there, bud. I parked in the wrong spot, big time. Thought he was coming in from this side. He started coming in from the back door. That's it. Let's see, that's good. That's good. You're good. Holy shit. Yeah. We gotta be able to get the fucking thing to the place we're going.
This way? Second. Oh, fuck yeah, what?
Yeah, thank you. This place. What they got? Chip and dust?
I don't know, it looks like it. Maybe.
It's
Well,
like pea ground or something like
that looked like maybe back there.
that. Oh yeah? No, thank you.
Don't keep rolling. Pull a U-turn in front of us so that you don't fucking stop. Like,
Careful. Fucking trailers all over the fucking place.
what's going on here? You fucking throw it all in the back? Oh, fuck, boy, calm down. It's only a Ford.
Fuck. Oh fuck. Weed eaters.
Fucking G-Tel.
Assembly, delivery, and hookup available. A Village Fireplace Shop, the experts you can trust with the quality you expect. Broadway Street in Wyoming. Red JJs are on now at Bailey Toyota. Lease a brand new 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross L for $99 weekly plus tax for 60 months. Zero money down at 7.59%. 20,000 kilometers per annum. You heard right. A new Toyota for less than $100 a week with zero money down. Plus all in-stock 2024 Toyota Venzas are $1,000 off. Find Bailey Toyota on Facebook for details. Bailey Toyota, 1311 Confederation Street in Sarnia. Family owned and operated, proudly serving a community for over 35 years. This is the Carpenters Union Community Calendar. Brought to you by the members of Carpenters Union Local 1256.
Oh boys, Vitoman saves the day for the dump trailer too. Battery dead, still able to dump because we got the Vitoman. Good thing I remembered that at least this morning. freak's sakes. Hard to forget or hard to remember stuff after you're 40. You're just fucked. Brain doesn't work right anymore. Because I should have brought the excavator for this, but I don't know, it looked a lot bigger in the pictures, so I friggin' brought a skid steer. Barely even enough room to friggin' maneuver. Look at this Jag, boys. Holy shit. What is really going on? So strong.
Come on. Get close. Oh, there we go.
Oh, did we leave enough room? Nice. That's wholesome. Oh. Next time I'll try to bring some sort of a tripod or some sort of instrument of camera holdination. What is really going on? Check this out, dudes. I can't even remember if I showed you what it looked like before, but oh my god, we do good work. Holy suffering. This only took all day. That's it. All day, and this is what we did. A little bit thicker, not too bad. Buddy's gonna park his boat here. Perfect. It'll be awesome. Okay, we go. Good work. Real bad. Man, this truck is awesome. I mean, if you guys aren't driving a clapped out third gen, are you even living? You know what I mean? Good Lord, we're in a full tank of fuel through them today. Just hauling relentless. Didn't skip a beat, boys. Oh, so that's pretty good. I want to build a third gen here. I got it in my Pliance long box crew cab. Got the frame in the back. We used the engine out of Rusty. We get it all fixed up and everything. Twin turb skis, different things. Or not twin, but compound, you know. Find a decent cab. Decent. Then we'll get like an 8-foot wide gooseneck dump trailer. Yeah. Wouldn't that be something? Yeah, good times. I go.